What is going on, my party people? This is another brick by brick production. I'm in here chilling at the mall. Got people going through. Just got off work. Happy Aloha Friday. Got me a little refresher drink, Jumbo Juice, Orange Dream Machine. Got that 3G charge, whey protein. Get you all right for sure. Shout out to the home team, sis 313, PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF. Shout out to everybody who signed up for Who Has the Heat. Got a little bit of time there. It's gonna be a great time. Now, as you can see, I got another box, another steal and deal right in front of me here. I'm chilling, there's a lot of foot traffic, but I just want to get this video out. Another steals and deals. You can see this is a PP, a personal pair, Nike Air Max 95 SE, size 10 and a half. It's just the retail price, 160 the thing. As you can see, colorway anthracite, black, cool, gray, Nike Air Max 95 SE, special edition. You got your stamper ramp. You got with those flex points, you gotta build them up, They send you those gift cards right away if you got email. Very dope. You can see you got your white paper like so. And these are the Air Max 95 done of the dead or done of the day, whatever you want to call it, DOTD as you call them. Very dope shoe. I got them for 100 and what is that? What is it? 129, 130, 20% off of that. So about 110, 110 somewhere roughing that. Very dope shoe. Got some 3M on here. I know that'll make some people proud, right? You get a look at them. And that ass. I think this is a 3M too. And then this here is 3M. Get a spin around, a little spin-a-rooney. I had to try them on to make sure they fit. Very dope shoe. Air Max 95. Don't sleep on these joints. You see on the bottom they got that nice green material, that Nike Air with the hit there. You got some, I don't know what the hell this type material is right here, but it's interesting. Then you got your mesh, then you got your leather right here coming up. You got your nice rollay. I think this is 3M as well, so it's gonna be real dope. At night, you got your Nike swoosh, which is very dope. And then you got your laces, you got your red tips with your teal green tips right there. Coming around on the media side, you got your typical 95 hits. You got your see your Dawn of the Dead stuff right there. Here with the mesh. And then you got your air units right here underneath. Very dope. And then you got a black on your midsole as well. You got your Nike swoosh, look at it. It's kind of checked in right there or stitched in, very dope. Turn around on two asses. Yes, I did say two asses. You got your Nike Air right there. So yeah, I should have, let me see if I can get the camera. Probably ain't gonna work though, but y'all get my drill. Very dope. Coming around on the medial side. You can see inside here, very nice. I like this shoe. Special on foot is very dope. Like I said, go true to size on these joints. No, my bad, not true to size. I went half size up. You see, you got the down and dead inside. All these heads, and inside you got some nice little thing on the insole as well. You got your QR code, let you know the production date, and all of that good stuff on the shoe. So very nice shoe, dope on feet. They tried as you've seen, I had the Cortez earlier too, and things of that nature. So they always try to do different stuff. I like shoes with themes, and this is a dope shoe that has a dope theme. I didn't have any. Let me see. I only got a couple 95, so I'm glad to add this to the collection. I got to get some 98s now, some more. And like I said, I'm just trying to bring y'all some more well-rounded videos. I got to start doing them a little bit longer, just for retention rate purposes. But it's all good because once we start doing the show, it will be all good in the neighborhood. Hopefully everybody get a chance to cop those UNC threes tomorrow. But other than that, leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know is the shoe just worthwhile considering, or this is fugazi. I should have left them at the mall. Feel free to leave any comment, like, subscribe. We on the way to 10K. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.